Let's see if we can catch the crazy hiccuping girl.
Kaylin, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you looking at those things above your head going, I want to grab them? Can you make a funny sound or something? Alrighty then.